The Echo 58-volt lithium-ion chainsaw, the most advanced professional-grade cordless chainsaw in the industry. Echo's 58-volt lithium-ion battery and brushless motor technology deliver best-in-class power, runtime, and durability. It has a 16-inch bar and chain for larger, more aggressive cutting, and it cuts faster than most gas saws. The side access chain tensioning makes adjustments quick and easy, and it also comes with a wraparound handle for increased user comfort. The Echo 58-volt lithium-ion chainsaw, part of the Echo 58-volt system